So the world of enterprise mobile applications is growing exponentially. More and more individuals are getting into mobile app development, whether it's Android or iOS. Welcome to this course on Android Studio Fundamentals for absolute beginners. My name is Syed, and I will be the instructor for this course. I've been in the training industry for a little over 20 years, and with over 45 courses at Udemy, teaching almost 200,000 students, I'm super excited to bring you this course that I've specifically designed for absolute beginners, individuals who wish to jump into Android app development but don't know where to start. Let me walk you through the course agenda. I've designed this course specifically for absolute beginners because I'm going to walk you through step-by-step in hands-on tutorial. We learn not only the concepts but also the application of what Android Studio is, what are the various elements that form Android Studio, how does it work, and then we'll jump into our development of our first app. Now, this course is not designed to give you or teach you how to develop applications. Rather, it focuses strictly on the Android Studio fundamentals and the environment itself. Let me give you an example. I'll walk you through the developer workflow basics, how to set up your workspace within Android Studio. And then from there on out, how to use the debugger, how to use additional tools that are available within Android Studio itself. I'll also demonstrate how to create a basic app or two. So who's this course for? Like I said, I've designed this course for absolute beginners. So if you're intermediate or advanced user, you may learn a few tips and techniques, but really it's designed for beginners only. As a bonus, I'm also going to give you an entire section on Java fundamental programming. So if you're not a programmer, worry not. You will get all of the skills necessary for basic object-oriented programming concepts. Who's this course for? Like I said, it's for absolute beginners. If you're an intermediate or advanced user, you may learn a few tips and techniques, but primarily I've designed this course for beginners only. I value your feedback. Leave a review, post questions in the discussion area. I'll be glad to help. So what are you waiting for? If you'd like to understand and get knowledgeable in Android Studio Fundamentals, this is the right course for you. Click on the enroll button now and I will see you in class.